In the heart of every Tibetan lies the story of struggle. A struggle not just for survival, but for identity, for freedom, for a future where we stand proud together. Tibet, our homeland, our heart, across the globe we are scattered but bound by one thing, a shared identity, a shared dream for freedom. Today, we are exploring something that connects all Tibetans in exile. It is called Green Book or Chatrel contribution, and it plays a vital role in supporting the Tibetan community and its goal for the future. In every corner of the world, Tibetans stand united by one powerful bond, the Green Book, our identity, our legacy, our future. Green Book Chatrel is not just a contribution, it is a powerful symbol of solidarity. It represents the recognition of the Central Tibetan Administration as the legitimate representative of the Tibetan people. Through Chatrel, Tibetans worldwide show their support for the CTA's work, particularly in these challenging times. These contributions are more than just financial. They reflect the Tibetan people's commitment to supporting the CTA until Tibet regains its freedom. Each payment helps secure the future of the Tibetan community, from preserving our culture to looking after the welfare of the exiled Tibetans. The Green Book is also a crucial document. It is the only official proof of Tibetan identity. It is not just a book. It is a testament to who we are, a record that ties us to our heritage, homeland, and a cause. Through the Green Book, Tibetans are granted the right to vote, enabling us to elect our leaders. This vital tool allows us to be active participants in shaping the future of our community, both in exile and for the day Tibet returns to freedom. Chatrel funds support a variety of projects that benefit Tibetans in exile. Every contribution helps strengthen the community and ensures that our collective voice is heard. So the next time you hear about Chatrel, know that it is more than just a contribution. It is a statement of support, a declaration of identity, and a step towards a brighter future for all Tibetans. Together, we are keeping the spirit of Tibet alive. Chatrel funds support projects that directly benefit Tibetans in exile, from education to healthcare and cultural preservation. Every contribution helps strengthen our community. Every penny of your Chatrel payment builds a stronger future for our people. It ensures that our culture thrives, that our elders are cared for, and that our children inherit a brighter tomorrow. Your support means everything. The fight for Tibet's freedom continues, and the time to act is now. We cannot wait for others to decide our future. Through Chatrel, we invest in that future today. Together we rise, together we stand for Tibet's freedom. The struggle for Tibet's freedom is far from over, but together we are making it a reality. Your Chatrel payment is your voice, your commitment, and your legacy. Join us and be a part of this powerful movement. Our journey is long, but our will is unbreakable. We are Tibetans, we are one, together we will rise. By supporting Chatrel, you are helping ensure a brighter future for every Tibetan. To learn more and contribute, please visit www.chatrel.net.